click on the original bunny layer, do a Command J to duplicate, a Command T to transform, turn it, and move it. Press return. Command J, Command T. Turn it, move it. Press return. Command J, Command T. Turn it, move it. I'm going to turn a little bit more. There we go. Press return. We'll do it one more time. Command J, Command T. Turn it and move it. There we go. Press return. I'll select all the new layers and make a new folder for those and name that Bunny Right. I'm going to put my Bunny Original in the middle of those two folders. Open up Bunny Right and turn all of them off. At this point, you want to save your PSD. Command S to save. We'll continue this lesson in the next video.